Good day everyone, so we are the Group 4 and our main topic is all about classifications of computers. But on my part, I will be focusing to one of the classifications of computer which is supercomputer. So, what about supercomputer? So, according sa picture nga nasa babaw nga yung makita, so a supercomputer is the very fastest and powerful and expensive type of computer for processing data daw. So, from the word fastest is grabe din siya kapaspas. Well, according to my research, ang gipaspason aning supernatural computer is kan like makaprocess gani siya trillions of calculations per second. Like imagine per second pero trillion ang iyang ma-process nga calculations. So unsa lang kaha kung every minute pa. So grabe jud siya kapaspas, di ba? So what makes supercomputer powerful po? Well, unsa pa man di ka nang paspas kay siya maka-store of data and na ang yang storage sad is makamassive og grabe kadako nga storage. So bisan unsa pa ang imong ihatag na niya, iya ginang dawaton. So mao na yung kuan powerful niya. So what makes supercomputer expensive po? Well, unsa pa man di ay lain, idi ka nang paspas kay siya tas powerful pagid siya, so mag-expect day ka nga less siya og presyo. So syempre expensive gid siya. So supercomputers size and storage capacity are also huge. So ang kanang supercomputer physically jud daw is kanang like ma-occupy niya ang entire room or building. Imagine ma-occupy niya ang building. So grabe gid ni siya kadako ang supernatural computer no. So literal nga supercomputer kay grabe kadako ang iyang physically and sa iya sang internally. So grabe ang supercomputer. Well, asa naman designed to process vast amount of data in short time with high productivity. So kanang mag-expect na jud tang high productivity siya kaysa sa past na to nga gistoryahan, like grabe di siya kapaspas, grabe sad siya ka powerful mong mahal jud kay siya. So these are specifically made to perform multi-specific tasks. Therefore, many CPUs work in parallel or order on these supercomputers. This function of supercomputer is called multiprocessing or processing. So, ang applications of computer is the energy and nuclear research, aircraft and flight simulator, or katong gingon ako ganina kanang climate change and the weather forecasting, or the climate research and weather forecasting. So how it works unsa na to pagpagana or pagpalihok ang supercomputer rather. So simple lang no, ang kanang supercomputer it divides a very big problem into small tasks. So ang dako nga problema is mapagamay niya. Kay unsaon man, simply because daghang processors ang mag-solve sa task and sabay-sabay siya. So mapagamay jud niya ang dako nga problema kay daghamang maglihok kung sa tao pa. So pag human ana, i-combine ang tanang results, and after combining sa tanang results, mao na siya gitawag nga multiprocessing or the parallel processing. So that's it. I hope you learned something from me, and then so that we will proceed to the next reporter.
Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are multi-programming high-performance computers and multi-user, which means they can handle the workload of more than 100 users at a time on the computer. Storage capacity of the mainframe is enormous, with a high-speed data process as well as handling hundreds of input and output devices at a time. The mainframe is a highly efficient computer capable of simultaneously calculations and solving complex continuously for a long time. Applications. Uses of mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are mainly used by departmental and commercial organizations like banks, companies, scientific research center, and governmental departments like railways. These computers can work for 24 hours. Hundreds of users can work on these computations simultaneously. Using the mainframe completes the task, such as keeping details of payments, research centers, advertising, sending bills and notices, paying employees, ticket booking, maintaining details of purchases by users, keeping detailed tax details. Here's the example of mainframe computer. As you can see, the first one is IBM AS00 series. So you can see the first picture, and the second one is ICL 3939 series, and the last one is CDC 6600. That's the example of mainframe computer.
The third classification of computer by size is the mini computer. Mini computer is a digital and multi-user computer system with a connection of more than one CPU. Thus, many people can work on this computer simultaneously instead of a single person. So, kani nga computer is daghan ang user nga makagamit niya o daghan pa siyang CPU. So, kay daghan man siyang CPU, meaning daghan siyang mahimo nga tasks at the same time pwede siya dunganan og gamit sa mga users. Mini computer can also process with other accessories like printer and plotter. But aside sa printer or plotter, napay laing mga devices ang pwede mag-process sa mini computer like scanner, keyboard, mouse, and projector. Mini computers are the medium type of computer that have more functionality power and are expensive than microcomputers. So ang mini computer is medium type siya, meaning dili gamay, dili pod kay dako. So sakto ra. And also, mas powerful siya in terms of functionality because daghan siyang CPU, and by that, mas daghan siyang mabuhat nga tasks. Lastly, mas expensive ang mini computer kaysa sa microcomputer is because mas fast ug mas powerful siya. Application are the uses of mini computers. Mini computers are used as real-time applications in industry, like controlling machines, production and monitoring processes, and also for research centers, such as scientific and engineering calculations. Another is for banking, like payroll, account management, and financial records. And most importantly, is for education, such as teaching, simulations, and student record.
So good day everyone, I am May Christy Disabelio from BITCT 2CDA, and now ako i-discuss about sa microcomputer. So, what is microcomputer? So microcomputer is the most common types of computer used at home, in schools, and in office. It started in the 1970s when the microprocessor was invented. So ang microcomputer mo ang pinaka-common nga klase sa computer nga gigamit sa balay, sa mga opisina or sa eskwelahan. Nag-start niya siya pag 1970s, human na-imbento ang microprocessor nga nakapahimo nga mahimong kuan yan gamay o barato ang computer para gamit sa usa ka tawo. So kani microcomputer is gamit lang siya og size, barato siya o pwede siya gamiton bisan asa. So today we are using many computers at home is also the most common microcomputer. With this invention of the microprocessors in the year 1970, it became possible to use computer for people personally at low cost and reasonable price known as digital personal computer. So mo na ang gitawag og PC. So the design of microcomputers is minimal in size and storage capacity. So these computers consist of many parts like input and output devices, software, operating systems, networks, and services. All these need to connect to form a complete personal digital computer. So there is not only a PC or laptop are examples of microcomputers. So dili lang PC or laptop ang example sa microcomputers. Mano sila ang types of microcomputers. So desktop, smartphone, tablet, workstation, server, PDA, and palm top. So some of major PC manufacturers are IBM, Lenovo, Apple, HCL, HP, and etc. So examples: desktops, tablets, smartphones, and laptops. The fast development of microcomputers with technology as a result today. So in short, the microcomputer is the most common type of computer that we see today or we used today because it's built for everyday use by individuals.
General computers can do various everyday tasks such as writing a word processing letter, preparations of documents, recordings, financial analysis, printing documents, creating databases, and calculations with accuracy and consistency. The size, storage capacity, and the cost of the computers are mainly less. The ability of the computers is limited in performing specialized tasks. Still, it has the versatility and useful for serving the people's basic needs at home and in the workplace in the environment. General purpose is a versatile machine nga kayang mo perform og usa ka dako nga task by running various software programs. The examples of general purpose computers includes desktops, laptops, smartphones, and tablets, which can be used for everything from word processing and web browsing to gaming and video editing. Special purpose. These computers are designed to perform a particular or specialized task. The size, storage capacity, and the cost of these computers depend on the nature and the size of the work. The functions of these computers is consistent with any particular task. Kaning computer useful ni siya for weather forecasting, space research, agriculture, engineering, meteorology, satellite operation, ug daghan pa. Special purpose computers gibuilt pud ni siya for data routing, scientific calculations, or banking transactions. Mga examples sa special purpose computers: automatic teller machines, washing machines, surveillance equipment, weather forecasting simulators, traffic control computers, ug uban pa. An analog computer performs tasks using continuous data, the physical amount that changes continuously. An analog computer works to measure physical units like voltage, electric current, temperature, pressure, and converts them into digits. Analog computers obtain all their data from some measurement way. These computers are mainly used in the field of science and engineering. Some examples of analog computers are vehicle speedometer and voltmeter.
So, ang digital computer represent the digital computer letters, numeral values, or any other special symbols. Then, ang computer nag-calculate siya sa number for processing the data. They run on electronic sign o ang binary numeral method na binary system 0 o 1 gigamit for calculation. So, magkahimo sadog operation sa arithmetic such as addition, occurrence, subtraction, multiplication, division, ug sa tanang type sa logical mathematical operation. Sa karon is mao na ang gigamit nato or available sa market mao ang digital computer. So, kani nga picture is mao ni siya ang common o best example sa digital computer. Then, naasad ko'y ubang example sa digital computer. Number 1, personal desktop computer. Number 2, calculators. Number 3, laptops, smartphone, and tablets. Number 4, digital watch. Number 5, accounting machines. Number 6, workstations. Number 7, digital clock.
Hybrid computer. A hybrid computer is a combined complex computer unit built using both analog and digital properties and united by a single control system. The purpose of designing hybrid computer is to provide functions and features that can be found in both analog and digital devices. The aim behind creating a hybrid computer is to create a kind of work unit that offers the best of both types of computers. Hybrid computers are extremely fast when driving equations, even then those calculations are incredibly complex. As both the properties of a computer consist in a form of a single hybrid computer made possible to solve complex calculations or problems at the same time. These devices are not only too expensive but also able to solve complex issues so fastly. Application of hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are most commonly used in vast industries, research centers, organizations, and manufacturing firms. Where are many equations that can to be solved. Auto gasoline pump is the example of hybrid computer. This device is installed on a petrol pump not only to measure the amount of petrol but also to calculate its value. In this way, it is capable of both functions, and there are hybrid functions of hybrid computer.